welcome to our channel. If you have decided to close your PNC Bank Virtual Wallet account and want to do it properly to avoid any fees or issues, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Before closing your account, make sure to transfer or withdraw all remaining funds from your virtual wallet. You can transfer money to another bank account or withdraw it at a PNC ATM or branch. Step 2. Cancel any automatic payments or direct deposits linked to your virtual wallet account. Contact billers and employers to update your banking information to avoid failed payments or deposits after the account is closed. Step 3. Once your account balance is zero and all pending transactions have cleared, log in to your PNC Bank online banking account via the website or mobile app. Step 4. Navigate to the customer service or help section. Look for options related to closing accounts or contact customer service. Step 5. PNC Bank typically requires account closures to be done in person at a branch or by calling customer service. Call PNC Bank at 1-888-762-2265 to speak with a representative about closing your virtual wallet account. Step 6. When you call, inform the representative that you want to close your virtual wallet account. They will verify your identity by asking security questions and confirming your account details. Step 7. The representative will process your account closure request. They may ask for the reason you are closing the account and inform you of any potential fees if your account has not been open for a minimum period. Step 8. After the account is closed, request written confirmation via email or mail. Keep this documentation for your records. Monitor your account for a few weeks to ensure no unexpected charges appear and confirm that the account is fully closed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.